50th session, Unit 5, Electrical Instruments and Measurements. In this session, we will be solving problems based on electrical instruments and measurements. The main learning objective of this 50th session will be to study and solve numerical problems on electrical instruments and measurements. Question number 1, that is, when 0.1 coulomb of charge is passed through a moving coil ballistic galvanometer, a deflection of 30 mm is observed on a scale 1 meter away. Find the current sensitivity of the galvanometer if the time period of the coil is 10 seconds. Solution. The formula used here is current sensitivity is equal to 2 pi upon T multiplied by charge sensitivity. And we know that the charge sensitivity is equal to deflection upon charge. So the deflection here is 30 millimeter. So in terms of meter, it will be 30 into 10 to the power minus 3 meters upon 0.1 coulomb. So that will give charge sensitivity. So if it is substituted in the current sensitivity formula, that is 2 pi upon T multiplied by the charge sensitivity, the final answer for current sensitivity will be equal to 0.188 meter per ampere. Question number 2. A condenser of capacity 0.02 microfarad is charged to 3 volts. When it is discharged through a ballistic galvanometer, it gives a deflection of 10 centimeters. Calculate the current sensitivity of galvanometer if its a periodic time be 10 seconds. Solution. First we shall see the given quantities, that is condenser capacity is equal to 0.02 microfarad and the voltage is 3 volts and the deflection is 10 centimeters and the capital T, that is periodic time, is equal to 10 seconds. And we know that the charge sensitivity is equal to deflection upon charge. And charge can be calculated. The charge on the capacitor can be calculated by knowing the values of its capacitance and the voltage. That is Q is equal to C into V, where C is 0.02 microfarad and V is 3 volts. So that will give the charge on the capacitor. And the deflection is 10 centimeter. So substitute the values of deflection and the charge in the charge sensitivity formula. So the final value for the charge sensitivity is equal to 16.66 centimeter per microcoulomb. And now the current sensitivity, that is equal to 2 pi upon T into charge sensitivity. So substitute the values of charge sensitivity in the current sensitivity formula, that is current sensitivity is equal to 2 pi upon T multiplied by 16.66 centimeter per microcoulomb. And the final result of current sensitivity is equal to 10.46 centimeter per microampere. Question number 3. The current sensitivity of ballistic galvanometer is 4.4 into 10 to the power minus 9 ampere for a deflection of 1 meter on a scale kept at a distance of 1 meter. Calculate the charge sensitivity of the galvanometer if the periodic time of the coil is 4.14 seconds. Solution. First we shall look into the given quantities. Current sensitivity is given, that is equal to 4.4 into 10 to the power minus 9 amperes, and deflection is equal to 1 millimeter, and the capital T, that is periodic time of the coil, is 4.14 seconds. Now we know that the charge sensitivity Q is equal to T upon 2 pi multiplied by current sensitivity. So current sensitivity is given and capital T is given. So substitute the values in the charge sensitivity formula and the final result, that is Q is equal to 2.9 into 10 to the power minus 9 coulombs. Question number 4. A condenser charged to 2 volts is discharged through a ballistic galvanometer. When corrected, the deflection is 9.6 centimeters and the current sensitivity is 4.45 into 10 to the power 2 millimeter per microampere and the periodic time is 12 seconds. Calculate the capacity of the condenser. Solution. The given quantities in the problem are: voltage is given, that is 2 volts. The current sensitivity is given, that is 4.54 into 10 to the power 2 millimeter per microampere, and the deflection is 9.6 centimeters, and capital T, that is periodic time, is 12 seconds. The formula that is used in this problem is charge sensitivity Q is equal to T upon 2 pi into current sensitivity. Substituting the values of capital T, that is 12 seconds, and in current sensitivity, that is 4.54 into 10 to the power 2 millimeter per microampere in the charge sensitivity formula. After calculation, the charge sensitivity Q comes around, that is equal to 85.98 centimeter per microcoulomb. We also know that charge sensitivity can also be defined as deflection per unit charge, that is charge sensitivity is equal to deflection upon charge, which implies charge is equal to deflection upon charge sensitivity. So therefore charge is equal to, after substituting the values of deflection, that is 9.6 centimeter, upon charge sensitivity, that is 85.98 centimeter per microcoulomb. After calculation, the charge, that is Q, comes around 0.11 microcoulomb. Next, we know that the charge on the condenser can be expressed in terms of Q is equal to C upon V, where C is the capacity of the condenser and V is the voltage across the plates of the condenser, which implies C is equal to Q into V, where Q is charge and V is the voltage across the plates of the condenser. After substituting the values of Q and V in the expression C is equal to Q into V, that is C is equal to 0.11 microcoulomb multiplied by 2 volts, the capacity of the condenser C comes around 0.22 microfarad. Question number 5. The first and left throws of ballistic galvanometer from its mean position are 0.2 meters and 0.198 meters respectively. Calculate the logarithmic decrement. The solution. The given quantities in the problem are theta 1, that is 0.20 meters, theta 2, that is 0.198 meters. We know that theta 1 upon theta 2 is equal to e to the power lambda, where lambda is logarithmic decrement. So after substituting the values of theta 1 and theta 2 in the formula, we get, that is e to the power lambda is equal to 0.2 upon 0.198. Now taking log on both sides, we get lambda is equal to 2.3 log to the base 10, 49.9 upon 49.7. After simplification, lambda comes around 0.0099, which is the logarithmic decrement of the ballistic galvanometer. The content or the material used for the presentation is taken from Electricity and Magnetism book written by Dr. K.K. Tiwari.